another Christmas come shop with me in Poundland, because literally they've got new stock, advent calendars, different kind of sweets, gift ideas for the kids, Frozen 2 merchandise like is in Poundland. It's basically a whole shelf right area of this like full of just Frozen 2 like stuff. Oh my goodness, just get on with the video.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper
kids. As you saw there, I had plenty gift ideas, but I picked these up for my boys. Dad gave them £10 and like, actually, yeah, he said to take them to McDonald's, but I said I have no time. I told him I don't have time to take them to McDonald's. No, you know when it's one of those days where you just want to be in and out of the shops. It was one of those days, and I was looking rough. Right, so basically they've got these like they're like Lego sort of type of stuff, but they're from the brand of Blocktex. So, but we call them Legos. No difference. They've got like 4 different designs you can get. So you can get this one, the Mean Streets one, and then my 7-year-old got this one. My 3-year-old, he picked up this one, the Dino Park one. Picked that up. He loves cars, but he's really been into these whole like block stuff. And it does say 6 to 12-year-olds, but he doesn't eat them. He's not like that. He doesn't eat them. And yeah, so like you can leave him alone and play with it. He's not stupid like that. He just loves them. You'll put it together for him, like his older brother, my oldest. He'll put it together for my 3-year-old, but then he ends up like taking it apart. I feel like he just wants to like do his own thing. These are £5 each, so yeah, their £10 was well spent. And they've got a girl version one as well, so they've got a version for like all your little girls as well. Also, I got this Jojo Siwa. You probably saw this in the come shop with me. They've got a Jojo Siwa BU journal, £1. You guys. So yeah, when I went to the shops, my 7-year-old told me, like my oldest said, can you get glue sticks? So I got him glue sticks. And my daughter, when I saw like they had the Jojo Siwa journal, I was like, oh my goodness, £1. Everyone got something. And my oldest got glue sticks, she got a BU journal, and the other 2 got the Legos. That was it, you guys, for the Poundland haul. I know it probably wasn't like that long. I did pick up some Christmas decor in Poundland, but as I said, I'm doing a Christmas haul. Later on this week. I'm going to see if I might be able to like film it after this video. But yeah, a Christmas haul, a really nice Christmas haul is coming up later on this week. So possibly on Friday. So watch out for it, you guys. Take care, and yeah, go down to Poundland. So many amazing stuff in there. Oh, and the advent calendars. Oh, I gotta get me one. Yeah, I'm telling you, I gotta get me one, an advent calendar, one of those chocolate ones. Yes, because all these other calendars, they're at £45. I'm like, nah, I ain't got £45 for an advent calendar. Ooh, I would love to. Not right now though. I'll see you guys later.
Slave.